Mr. Berry, I don't believe that's necessary. I don't know, Mr. Grigsby, do you want representation or no?
No, sir.
State your name for the record, please.
Special appearance, Contrail Grigsby.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. Today is the day and time set for a final pretrial. Where is Ms. Harris? Ms. Snyder. Ms. Snyder, are you here? We need to Contrail Grigsby's file, please. Set for a jury trial tomorrow.
Can I ask a question?
You may.
Since the last time we spoke, you told me to just bring all my paperwork down here. I wanted to see that you received it. I had brought it down to the courtroom.
I don't really know if it's going to be necessary. I also told everybody that all parties need to appear in this. Valenstein is here. So no, I didn't get any of your paperwork that I have at the moment. Do you have contract? No. And what should I expect to see in that or read in that paperwork?
Should I brought my fee schedule down there. I made me an affidavit, conditional acceptance, and I brought a few things down there. And I had sent them. All right.
Go ahead.
I had last time we talked. You had gave me a lady's email address, and I also sent all the paperwork to her email address.
All right, pause right here. This is already a red flag. When someone refuses representation and announces a special appearance, that's usually the opening move of a sovereign citizen-style defense. It sounds official, but legally, it doesn't carry the magic they think it does. Judges hear this all the time, and they're already clocking what's coming next.
Officer Meltdown, good morning to you. Can you, we're on the record with Mr. Grigsby. Can you state your name, department and badge number, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Officer Van Detroit Police Department, badge number 4744.
All right, very well. Today is the date and time set for a final pretrial. So we do have all the parties here. There's going to be a jury trial tomorrow. I'm imagining that trial is going to go. I would like to have.
This is what I call the paperwork flood tactic. The idea is to overwhelm the court with documents that sound legal but don't actually trigger any legal obligation. Fee schedules, affidavits, conditional acceptances, none of that replaces real motions filed under court rules. And notice the judge's tone here, polite but unimpressed.
Ms. Schneider here to make sure that you two agree on any jury instructions. I don't know if you've made any, if you've gone over any jury instructions and have an agreement on the jury instructions and things like that, or we'll just read the instructions as they are listed in the, if you have not. So I'm gonna wait until Ms. Schneider comes in. Mr. Grigsby, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Schneider. You two can have that discussion, and then we'll get you out of here. I'll wait till she comes back. We'll get you out of here after you talk to Ms. Schneider about how you two are gonna proceed, all right?
Okay, cool. Yes, sir.
All right, let's pass the matter. for Mr. Grigsby. Ms. Snyder, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the People, P80322. The issuing officer is present.
Yes, I've already spoken with him. So have you and Mr. Grigsby spoke about procedure tomorrow?
Yes, Your Honor, we did discuss it. I sent you a chat. Mr. Grigsby has not prepared jury instructions, but he does have a civil infraction along with his misdemeanors. I talked to the officer. We're going to dismiss the 2 misdemeanors. He can proceed with a formal hearing on his civil infraction.
Here's the quiet power move. The judge doesn't argue, he proceeds. Courts don't debate theories, they follow procedure. While Grigsby is still stuck on emails and paperwork, the judge is already setting trial logistics. That's how authority looks in a courtroom, calm, structured, and completely unmoved.
We're not going to call a jury in for that.
Correct.
What about right now? Mr. Grigsby?
Yes, sir.
So you can either pay the 145 and then we'll close it out, or you can have a formal hearing on that. The officer's here right now on the expired.
I'm having I want to have a formal hearing for Mr. Grigsby.
All right, are you ready to proceed now, Officer Valenstein?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right. It's on you, Officer Valenstein. You want to assist Ms. Snyder or not? I guess not.
Yes,
Go.
I'm
I'll
all
leave
for
it
it.
to you, Your Honor.
Say that again.
I'm sorry, I cut out. What was that, Miss?
I was going to say, I'll leave it to his honor.
Oh, okay.
It's up to you two. I mean, it's a civil infraction of expired plates. Go ahead, officer.
Okay. Back on February 19th, 2025 at approximately 6:29 p.m., I was doing traffic enforcement in the area of Grand River and West Grand Boulevard. I seen the silver Chevy driving southbound on Grand River. I did a traffic stop, or I ran the plate, came back that it was expired. Back on December 21st of 20.
This is the danger zone. Once sworn testimony starts, the case stops being theoretical and becomes factual. The officer is laying a clean timeline, and every unanswered or evasive response from the defendant chips away at credibility. In court, confidence doesn't win, consistency does.
24, pulled the vehicle over, conducted a traffic stop. The driver, Mr. Contrell Grigsby, stated that, there was no registration for the vehicle.
So you're saying that he admitted that there was no registration for the vehicle?
As far as I recall, yes. There was no registration to show. I mean, as far as everything else, I don't know if you want me to keep going about the insurance or the displayed license, but.
No, I don't think that's relevant now, because that's going to be. So basically, on this date and time, you pulled the vehicle over, and the vehicle, for your testimony, the vehicle did not have valid registration, and that you're saying that Mr. Grigsby told you that the vehicle did not have valid registration. Go ahead, Mr. Grigsby, if you want to say more.
Yes, according to
let me swear you in. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Raise your right hand, please.
I want to.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
As long as I'm not giving up any of my rights.
No, you're not giving. You're just swearing to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Okay, cool.
Say yes or no.
And as long as y'all know I'm in special appearance, yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, or nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes, sir. According to Michigan law, I'm only supposed to have my license or anything, license, registration, or insurance if I'm doing commerce, and I'm not doing anything. I was just traveling. I wasn't as I told the officer I was traveling. I'm only supposed to have a driver's license if I'm if I'm like making money or doing anything. I wasn't in, like I told him. Same thing I'm telling you.
So you're not disputing the fact that you're not disputing the fact that you didn't have plates on the vehicle, proper registration for the vehicle?
I'm disputing the fact.
I'm asking you a question. I'm asking you a yes or no question.
I'm asking you a question that is.
No, you don't ask questions. I ask the questions.
Well.
So is it
mutual device, please.
Did you tell the officer that you didn't have any plates on the vehicle?
I don't recall what I told the officer.
Okay, well, he seems to recall very well. Is there anything further?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Michigan code. As I sent to you, I brung down there and I emailed the lady. Michigan code says that I do not need to register my vehicle. I do not need to have a license unless I'm acting in commerce. And I was not acting in commerce as I told the officer plenty of times. I'm not acting in commerce, so I don't need a license or I don't need to register anything.
All right.
Michigan.
Is that it?
Oh, no. And I sent you my conditional acceptance twice. I sent you all of my paperwork.
I'll let you put it on the record. So I'll let you put it on the record. Is that it?
Yeah, I want to put all my paperwork on the record. Did you receive it?
No, I told you I didn't.
Well, I don't know how. I got the.
But in this case, I'm gonna tell you this. I don't have to find you responsible. $145. When can you pay?
I'm not paying it.
All right, bye. Have a great day, sir.
Yeah, y'all will be hearing from me. You'll be hearing from me, boy.
$145.
It is.
I'm not your boy, all right?
You want to be.
I'm not your boy, okay? So don't say too much more, sir. I'm just saying you're free to leave. Have a very good day. All right. Officer Valentin, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Ah yes, the infamous traveling versus driving argument. Courts across the country have rejected this over and over. Traffic laws apply whether you're making money or going to the grocery store. And watch the judge here. He narrows the question to a simple yes or no. When someone can't answer that, the court already has its answer.